Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a craft with me. So you guys, you remember the die that I was sent by Scrap Diva Designs, the pinwheel, right? So there are two pinwheels. This shabby pinwheel with lace on the border as a border. So this is not to be confused with this one. This pinwheel has of the base and it has two layering pieces. So I've already done this one. We are talking about this one that it has a base and has one layering piece. And I love the lace on it and I love the stitching. I do go over it with regular stitching with my machine. This is her information, Scrap Diva Designs Instagram, YouTube, and hashtag. Please follow the hashtag, you guys, because there's so many creative crafters that are creating with her dies, and you may get inspiration. Find someone who inspires you and stick with them. So if I inspire you today, please use my discount code. It's V10. That's VEE10, and that'll save you. Okay, so let's get on in with it. So shabby. Do I do shabby? No, I don't do shabby. However, I'm going to attempt to do a semi-shabby, and this is what I'm using, the Dulce collection by Frank Garcia. This is the most shabbiest collection that I can get to, shabby chic. And so this is what I'm going for. I'm going for a pinwheel embellishment, so it'll be all layered up with florals and ephemera pieces. I also glittered the pieces with some glittered Nouveau, and this is the Nouveau glitter drops, and I love this right here. It dries super fast if you put like a very thin layer. I'm not sure if you can see that one, but these flowers are not glittered. I had to glitter them up. So this is something that I'm going for. This is not glued on yet, however I will be doing that. I also want to show you what other pieces I will be using with this collection. So I am using the border die by Scrap Diva Design. This is the border dies, and I'm using this one in particular. If you can see that, if you guys follow Bona, who is Live Love Scrap, she makes rosettes with these for a design team project. And I was absolutely loving that. So let me go ahead and take this apart and we can see that rosette. So I made a rosette. I thought that that border die would go great with this because it looks like lace. And so this is what it looks like right here. It becomes a star. All it is just one piece cut out. So just one piece. I scored it and then glued it together to form this star rosette. So I was hoping this isn't going to look too Christmassy, because with all the glitter and the white, I think shabby can sometimes look like Christmas. So I was hoping not to do that. So I am using this eyelash trim from Hobby Lobby, which can also give a Christmas look as well. So after layering all the pieces, I loved how it looks. So this is the pinwheel, you guys. This is what this makes. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. You can make it like I did the demo. Let me show you the demo. So this is it right here. I demoed it with only two pieces, and that's the back. And so this one here is three pieces, and so it makes kind of like a star. And I love it. I just love it. Okay, so I'm going to make another piece, and I will show you at the end how I'm going to combine this project with another project to form my design team project. And it's absolutely cute, you guys. I can't wait to show you. Just think ice cream for now and try to guess what I'm going to make. Well, I think it's going to be in the thumbnail. So let's go ahead and get on into it. I'm going to put these pinwheels together so you can see how that's done. Okay, so my phone cut out on me and I went ahead and just glued the centers. So all I did was just glue the centers, and you want to start off that way first because it is a little tricky to get three layers on top of each other. I'm going to go ahead and start to form these, and what I do use is some sort of pencil. Any pencil you got, I'm just going to use this here and form them. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so all three have been formed. I did have a mishap. This piece ripped here, so I just added hot glue. Don't be afraid to add hot glue. This piece was fine. This piece also ripped, so just be careful when rounding these. They can rip. It ripped right there, but it's fine. Added hot glue and it'll be hidden. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and put this together. So you want your, here, this is something how we're gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the first piece first. So let's do that. So let's fold in the first piece and then the others will go on top. So this is where you glue the rest. I like using hot glue just for the sturdiness and the fast drying. So that is what it looks like. Very easy. So let's go ahead and do the rest. And with the rest of them, I do start to glue the end pieces to the back of the first pinwheel piece, like so. And then the next one will go right on top. So you have to be careful because it tends to want to slide over. And so you kind of want to do it like so. So go ahead and fiddle with it now before you start gluing, because once you glue it down, that is it. As for me, that's why I use hot glue, so I could get my machine, my heat tool out and fix it. So I'm going to go ahead and start fiddling with this. Do you see how these two want to pair together? We don't want that, so you just keep fiddling, keep turning, and it'll all work out. So I'm going to do that really fast. And there it is. So let's go ahead and embellish them. I'm going to embellish the other one first, and then I will go to that one. So I will do that really fast. Here it is, a little shabby, isn't it? Very shabby. This is Dulce by Frank Garcia, you guys. Embellished pinwheel. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one here, and let's get it done. Okay, these are my two embellished pinwheels. Very shabby, semi-shabby. In my case, very shabby. And I didn't end up using the pink leaves, but I will use them for the project that I will be putting this on. So I love it, you guys. This is a very shabby pinwheel, the shabbiest I ever made. So let's go ahead and get the piece that these are gonna go on. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, let's go ahead and put these in an ice cream cup with a scoop. I thought this was such a neat idea to put an embellishment in an ice cream cup. If anyone needs a scoop of embellishments, just let me know. I'm just joking. So yeah, this is just a cute scoop of an embellishment. I thought it was cute fitting the collection. It's ice cream and sweets, and I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie a bag around the scoop with an embellishment in it with some seam binding, and the other embellishment will sit right on top. And this I would probably put in another baggie, and so everything will be set and displayed as I put it. And I just love it. Just a little scoop of sweet, shabby embellishment. I love these pinwheels. You could put them on anything. Here it is right here. Well, this concludes the video. I will see you in the next video.